Hey everybody, it's Kim coming to you Friday afternoon in my office/yoga studio in Weed, California. And look, I was a little late to discussion 2, getting in there, and I finished grading them now. I hope you'll go in the discussion and look, because I feel like there was a party and I was late to the party. Thank you for the poems, the spontaneous haiku, the sharing of stories. And also, in the announcements here, I'm going to put a few links to a couple of the platforms I keep mentioning, and also to OpenStax and how they make their books, because a lot of you found OpenStax in discussion 2, and we're wondering about their peer review process. So I think that it's baked in, and I'll provide the link and announcement so you can check that out. But I hope that you have a little chance over the weekend to go into discussion 2 and look at the feedback, because that's where I provided feedback. And then other than that, I gave everybody their points. And so I look forward to diving into discussion 3, but that's going to have to be tomorrow, Saturday. So thanks for your patience. You are just all wonderful. And this is a fantastic workshop experience. And I look forward to getting in there tomorrow with you. So I'll talk to you a little bit more later. Bye.